Do you know that you can start investing in stocks with just small money, 2,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira? Yes, you bet that is possible because in today's video, that is exactly what I'll be showing you. See, I'm here to show you the scopes, all right, as my bestie. In the Nigerian and the US stock market, it has now been made easy and possible, all thanks to some brokerage apps. So today I'm going to talk about how you're going to invest in the stocks using the Bamboo investing apps. So just hang on. I'm going to show you two new features that Bumble has just added that has blown my mind, all right? And beyond that, if you stay till the end of this video, I am going to show you how you're going to make free money in Bumble without doing anything. And if this is the kind of content and the kind of video you want to watch for this 2025, don't don't skip, just watch this video to the end. You'll be learning a lot. So if you're ready, let's talk about investing and how to set up this app, how to buy stocks, and how to make a lot of money. If you're excited like me, let's go. Investing in stocks is actually a great way to grow your money and build wealth for yourself and for your family because stocks have historically had massive profits in return, and that is for long term investors and for short term investors who know what they are doing with a plan. So let's look at Meta, which is Facebook, the last 1 year and the last 5 years. The last 1 year he has done 55%, but the last 5 years he has done 243%, giving a return of 523 $22. Can you imagine? A lot can happen, and this can actually happen to you when you have the right knowledge, when you're picking the right stocks with a plan, and when you have solid growth companies and ETFs in your bunch. So when you're buying shares, what you're doing is you're owning a piece of the company, and you can benefit in so many ways from appreciating when you have invested maybe $100 and it has grown to 400 and 500. There are other ways you can do that by investing in dividend stocks. You can see this is Coca-Cola, and you can see here they pay 2.79% per year. Other companies' stocks have higher percentages. I have some that pay higher. Now, there are risks involved in stocks because you can also have stocks that are declining. This is one stock that has been going down the last 1 year from $2.50 down to 0.82. So this can happen. So Bamboo app is actually a great app, user friendly and great for beginners with good educational resources, and you can start small, all right? Now, let's talk about how to set it up. You can actually click on the referral link in the description, and it will bring you to this page where you will fill in all those details. You can see from email to password. You can see where my referral code is already situated because you clicked on the referral link. So when you have filled in all those details, it will take you to the next, and then you can now download your app. So when you're downloading and you get to this spot where you are putting your password, please make sure that every information you're seeing here, that you have them. As you're putting them, they will all be going in green tick. And when you're done, you click on next. And then you can now head over to download the app from your Google Play Store. You can also go directly to Google Play Store app before doing this. If you already have my referral code, by just going to your Play Store, you type in Bamboo, and Bamboo will pop up. You would install. You will see it read from 0 to 100, and then it will open up after installing. And when you have done this, you can now click and get into your app and start by choosing your 4-digit PIN code, putting in your personal information, your verification code they will send to your email. Then you complete your KYC and your proof of identity. And just like that, your account will be ready. You will equally get an email verification, which you need to go to the email address you have clicked in here, and then you'll be able to access your app. And it is super easy. So when you click on open, this app will open. Then you click on allow for notification, and see how beautiful this app pops up. Now you can click on start building wealth or sign in. You click on sign in when you have filled the form. So when you come here, you put in your phone number and your password, and you can log in. It is super easy. Because I already have this app, I just had to take you through this spot so that I can open my own app so we can take it from there. When your account is approved, you're going to receive an email and that was give you access to fund your account. So these are all the things that this app has. You can see on top here, you can see so many things. You can see um even the new coins, bamboo coins, which is the new feature. That's not my focus today. So when you go to this place, to home, you scroll down to the last, you will see bamboo wallet. You're going to fund by sending money from your local bank account to your Nigerian wallet before you move it into your USD wallet. Then it will reflect in your US stocks. So the first thing to do is you click on that Naira wallet. It brings you to this spot, and then you type in the amount. You can see, as at the time of this recording, $1 is one Naira, 1,569 Naira. Now you type in the amount, which is about, let's say you are doing 50,000. Once you type it, you will see the exact value in dollars, which is about $31.86. And then you pick direct bank transfer. You get to this spot where you see your unique account number. Now only you can use this in the entire world. Mind you, there's a 100 Naira flat fee. If you do not add this 100 Naira in your 50,000, they're going to still deduct it. So take note. And the bank is Sterling Bank. Okay. When you click on this, copy this account number, you go to your bank app, and then you make the payments, and the money will reflect in few hours. Now this is my own app, and I'm going to show us how to buy stocks as little as $10 or $5. Due to the fees that Bamboo charge, I always prefer people starting with at least $50. So you open your US stocks and you come to this point where you click on buy stocks. You will see this search button, and before now you will see all the different packages they have, different people's portfolio that are popular. You can go and see the stocks they have, and then you see some future stocks, which some of them are the ones people are purchasing. Now this is not a financial advice, but you need experience, and you need to join a community, and we have a money community. So feel free to join our community. The link to join is in the description. Now when you click on the search, you're going to pick the stock you're interested in. So for today, let's say we are going to buy Snapchat, which is what a lot of people use on their phone. So let me purchase something that we are used to. So when you click on it, this page will pop up, and you see buy below. You see on top where you will see financials and news. If you click on financials, it give you every detail about the stock, what has been happening in the last 52 weeks, which is the last 1 year, the last 24 hours, and all of that. When you click on news, you will see a lot of information pertaining the stock if you want to do more research. So it's always important for you to do research before you purchase all these stocks, okay? Then you click on the buy button. When you click on buy button, you will have these options. Buy every month. Maybe you can automate it that, okay, every month I'm going to be purchasing Snapchat, $10, $20, $5, $50. So if you click on it, it will always take money from your wallet, from your stock wallet. But I prefer to use the buy now and the limit buy. So for buy now, I'm buying at the price I am seeing at the moment. So right now I'm seeing $10.92, and I have just $10. Once I type in $10, you can see it's telling me I'm going to purchase 0.915332. And then you can see my buying power is 0.02, meaning that all the money I have in my app, I've used it to buy stocks. So when you have gotten to this point, you click on purchase. It will tell, okay, for now it's telling me insufficient. So let's go to the limit order. Limit order is where you're now setting the price you feel more comfortable. So this stock is at $10.92, but I want to buy it at $10.80. I will type it and type proceed. Then I will type the number. I can buy 1, 3, 10. In limit order, you must buy at least one share. So when I type in, it will give me the total figure. But because my buying power is low, it will tell me insufficient. But once you click on it, it will execute. Mind you, there's a $1 fee attached for buying and for selling. More details will be in the community. Now I'm going to tell you about the two new products. You can see the treasury bills and the Naira savings. Amazing. I told you there are two fantastic products. So for Naira savings, the money you have that you don't want to keep in the bank, that will give you small amounts. Now this app on Bamboo is giving you 18% per annum. This is amazing. And this is powered by NGSec. And the second one is the treasury bills. T bills are my favorite at the moment because their rates are high. Oh my God. Now, you click on see available bills. All right. When you click on see available bills, it will take you into the different dates. We have the 30 days, we have the 90 days, we have the 180 days, and we have the 362 days. So, but these are the actual numbers: 91, 182, and 332. So let's go to 332 days. You want to invest in treasury bills for 100,000. This is why I like this app. You can do as little as 100,000. All you need to do is to just click on preview your investment. You will see all the details. You will see how much. You can see here it's showing that you're going to earn 24%, which is 21,000. And if you don't add this 814 naira as the custody fee, they will deduct it from your 100,000. So whenever you come to this place and see the figure, you go back and add it to your 100,000 so that your 100,000 will be intact. So all this information are what you need to look at before you click on proceed. But when you click on proceed, just make sure you are not going ahead. When you click on proceed, it will ask you to pick your money from your wallet. So before you get to this point, you would have moved money from your local bank account into the Bamboo Nigerian wallet so that you can pick it from there. So it is simple. Now, if we are to go back to the 182 days, which is still the same process, when you click on the 182 days, it will take you into the 182 days period. Okay. When you click on the 100,000, which is your fee, again, you click on preview. You will see here the maturity date is 24th of July. And remember, here they're giving you 17% for 6 months. And another thing is that you can see the yield here. You're paying 353 naira. So consider all these fees. Add the custody fee before you go ahead to type in your figures. It's all, in fact, if you like, the best thing to do is to add an extra 1,000 or above, depending on how much you're investing. The person who is investing 1 million will actually pay more for custody fee. So that is all about the new products. I'm going to talk about something different, which is the last thing I told us about how to make money from this app. So when you go to where your name is, you tap on it, you see refer a friend. You come to this spot where you will see invite a friend. You can see so far, 23 people have used my referral link to download this app. This is the benefit when you refer people to use your referral link. I do hope when you're watching this, you're using my referral link. So I hope that when you do that, you're going to see this code. When you copy this code and give to someone, when they use it, you're going to make 2.5% of their first trade. When they're trading with at least $20 to buy a stock, you make 2.5%. And like this, you can make a lot of money that you've not worked for, but for referring them to use this app, that is super amazing. You see, I told you that it was worth staying till the end to watch this video. I hope that you have learned now how to invest and how to buy stocks and how to get all the information you need, even the treasury bills, without going to the bank. That is super amazing. Now, watch out for the next video and please subscribe and like this video.